Number 1. Starting off with a 1965 Chevrolet Impala listed for $2,000 in South Haven, Michigan. This classic car has driven 150,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is turquoise, while the interior is black with black bench seats and turquoise door panels. The car has a rusted frame and rear quarter panels, but still has good glass, bumper, hood, trunk lid, grille, and lights. It's powered by a 283 motor paired with a 2-speed Power Glide transmission. If you're looking for a project with solid parts, this Impala could be a great find. Number 2. Next up is a 1967 Austin Healey Sprite listed for $1,900 in Tip City, Ohio. This classic British sports car comes with a good Ohio title and a 1275cc engine that turns over, as shown in the seller's video. The car has had some bodywork done and will need more, but it's pretty solid overall. It only has 2 hubcaps and the frame for a convertible top. The tires hold air but are old. The seller offers delivery within reason after payment. If you're interested in restoring a classic roadster, this Austin Healey Sprite could be an exciting project.
These rust damage in the floor. Needs an entire new pan. It does run and drive though. It cammed 305. I haven't done anything to the truck. I've had it for like 5 days.
Number 3. For $2,000, you can pick up this 1978 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed listed in Dawsonville, Georgia. This gray truck features an automatic transmission and has had 2 owners. It's powered by a small block 305 engine that runs well, but it needs the rear main seal replaced. The truck has new wheels, but also has a good bit of rust in the floor and bed. The seller mentions that they don't have the time or money for the restoration, but do have the title. They're open to offers and trades, but aren't parting it out. If you're looking for a classic truck to restore, this might be the one for you. Number 4. Here's a 1988 Chevrolet Corvette convertible 2-door, listed for $1,400 in Plattsburgh, New York. This black Corvette has driven 65,688 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The car runs well but will need a new water pump and exhaust. It has a tear in the rear soft top window, and while it also comes with a hard top, it's in rough shape. The car needs some cosmetic work and TLC, but has been well maintained over the years, with many parts replaced by the seller who has owned it for 12 years. If you're looking for an affordable Corvette project, this could be a great opportunity. Next, we have a 1973 Dodge Dart listed for $1,250 in York Haven, Pennsylvania. This red Dart with a tan interior is powered by a slant 6 engine paired with a 3-speed on-the-column transmission. The car has been sitting for a long time and does not currently run. It has some rust and body concerns and will need a full restoration. The seller is firm on no trades. If you're a fan of classic Mopar cars and don't mind putting in the work, this Dodge Dart could be a rewarding project. Number 6, you can get this 1976 Chevrolet Malibu listed in Waverly, Iowa. This car comes with a 305 Chevy motor, but it's not currently running. It features 15-inch rally wheels with good rubber. The seller notes that it's a project vehicle and mentions that they also have a 1973 Laguna S3 parts car with a 454 Chevy motor for sale. If you're looking for a classic Malibu to restore, this might be the project for you, especially if you're interested in getting some extra parts along with it. Number 7. Coming in at $1,500, we have a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2-door listed at a dealership in Roanoke, Virginia. This black Camaro has an automatic transmission and is described as a nice car to build. The left quarter will need to be replaced, and what you see in the pictures is what you get. The floorboards look nice, and the car comes with a rear end that needs to be bolted to the car. The seller has a clear title and emphasizes that the car must be moved right away. If you're looking for a Camaro project with a solid base, this could be the one for you. Number 8. Next, we have a 1988 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am hatchback two-door listed for $1,250 in Lynchburg, Virginia. This black Firebird has driven 120,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The car is in decent shape and the T-tops don't leak. However, it doesn't have a motor, though the 5-speed transmission is still there. The seller bought the car but lost interest, making it a great project for someone looking to restore a classic Firebird. If you're up for the challenge, this could be a great opportunity to bring this iconic car back to life. Number 9. For just $300, you can get this 1977 Dodge Ram Charger listed in Elizabeth, West Virginia. This blue SUV comes with an automatic transmission and a removable topper in good shape. It's a 4-bob unibody with a shifter, but it currently has no motor. The seller mentions that it has 4 or 5 rust holes and 3 tires hold air, but it's currently on dollies to make it easier to move around. The seller is eager to move it out of their garage tonight, so the first reasonable offer takes it. If you're looking for a budget-friendly project, this Dodge Ram Charger might be the deal of the day. Number 10. Next up is a 1966 Dodge Dart body listed for $375 in Seymour, Connecticut. This gray Dart body comes with 4 14-inch tires on Craigar mags. The car originally had a slant 6 motor, but it's no longer good. The seller is open to offers. If you're looking for a project car and don't mind starting from scratch, this Dodge Dart body could be an interesting project to take on. Number 11. Lastly, we have a 1974 Plymouth Dart Hang 10 listed for $1,500 in Elkton, Kentucky. This white Dart comes with an automatic transmission and has good floors, rails, and trunk. However, it has no title. The car features disc brakes, floor shift, and a console. The seller is firm on the price at $1,500 and includes their contact information for those interested. If you're looking for a Dart project and don't mind the extra work to obtain a title, this could be a great project car to restore. If you're ready to take on a new project and have your eye on any of these classic cars, don't hesitate to reach out to the sellers. Each of these vehicles offers a unique opportunity to own and restore a piece of automotive history.